So Bedwars added vending machines. Of course I don't get a teammate like always. Hi, hi, hi. Oh, nice, dude, nice. I might just get your bed right now. Are they teaming? Bro, I actually kinda got loaded. Finally my teammate loaded. Okay, it's just wild. This is just wild, dude. What are they doing on his base, dude? Yellow's base. Let's just get this guy, bro. Let's get the bed. Now you're coming. Oh, bro, dude. Where did that guy come from? Oh, bro, dude. At least I got the bed. That's all I care about. Let's get some diamonds. Hope there's enough. Probably buy this. Bro, dude. Bro. I don't know what. Just end the pearl here. Come on. Yes. Got landed. Let's go. I got some iron armor. Now I'm gonna take down this guy. Not yet. I won't take that guy down yet. Bro, dude. I literally clicked on him, dude. Ooh, tasty. Let's get this bed. Useless bed. Because we don't need it in the world. Then explode the bed defense. Come on. We can't explode this. Why do I always do that? Bro, I hate this, bro. Okay, I might just do this. What are you doing? Probably getting red the next. First time I get some damage. I don't know if I really need damage, but I will still get like that. And probably get the fireball. I don't know what you're doing, bro. Bro, dude. You're not killing me. Wait, did that guy have no armor, dude? I didn't know you had bows. Let's just get some of these. Grim Reaper spam! It's very spammy. You're very spammy at the chat. Yes, I got good teammate. Please be good teammate. Yes, do bad. Don't mind if I, you don't know why they're rushing that team. Bro, what are you doing here? Let's go, dude. Let's go. Toxics! What do you mean toxic? I haven't a word in the chat. Hey, golden bow! Yes, a golden bow! Please, golden bow. I hope you can win this for me. Golden bow, please win this for me. I just want to get the bed just in case someone spawns so late. Bro, where is this guy? Oh, that's a good loot, bro. That's a good loot box. Let's just do this. Then let's get these. So funny, dude. Come over here, barbarian skill master. Just come. He gave up life. He's so laggy. He gave up. He can't do anything. He has rage quit, or I don't know if he rage quit, maybe got disconnected. He had the biggest loot box I've ever gotten. Not ever gotten, but a big loot box. You know what I mean. Bro, nothing, dude. That's nothing. Hey, that barbarian guy changed teams. Come on, dude. Come on. I know you got something good for me. I just want your bed, dude. Ooh, ooh. I'm getting your life now. Let's do it, bro. Let's do it. Bro, how, dude? Yes. Bro, who did that? You stole my kill. You stole my kill, dude. Let's go, got him. Oh, I thought it was one. Lots of lucky airdrop. I will have some party. I will have some party. I will have some party. Eating a lot of rage blade. I will eat a lot of rage blade. I will eat a lot of rage blade. I will eat a lot of rage blade. Please give me rage blade to eat. Yes, I will eat this rage blade. You know that's not gonna help, dude. He didn't even use it, bro. Just come over here. Just come over here. It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Bro, why must everyone sky limit to the moon? Just get these. Oh, they both rage quit. Wow, that's so great, dude. That's so great. Oh, that's so bad, dude. The dodo bird, are you serious? I don't like dodo birds. Come on. I mean, they give extra speed, but I wanted something better. Shoom, 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 shoom. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. Shoom. Ching, 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 ching. Bro, dude. Bro, chill out, dude. Chill out, dude. Chill, bro. Ching, 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 ching. Hey! Oh, bro, I thought they were there. You're dead, bro. You're dead. You're dead, bro. Accept it. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm not letting them going away, dude. I'm not letting them winning. Okay, that was OP. Ching, 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 ching. Bye, guys.